So today I had the perfect foot massage. Not only foot massage, but also the calf. How that works, let me show you around the back. It has a simple switch right over here, on and off. We're gonna plug this 110 volts, right? Off, on. You have a nice, I show you in the next camera, the next shot, they have a nice control panel over here, plus a remote control. Now, when you plug it in, the first thing I see there is a flashing light. This is power. Now there is 3 settings we can choose. Is a slow, medium, and fast. We can do a slow, medium, and fast foot, and a slow, medium, fast the calf, this part of the leg. Now when you turn it on, by default it's medium, and also it's nice, it has in heat and vibration mode as well. So it works. I'm gonna press the stars, and if you see here, start moving. So here is, that will be your legs we see right there, and here is your foot. Then my next setting, and we can change it. Maybe we want the foot fast, so I go over here and I choose my foot fast. That's faster, right? With slow, or I can choose the leg to be faster or off. And I want it maybe only my foot, so I'm going to show my foot only. If you see here, only the footwork. So there is all this combination you can set this machine. Believe me, after you go here for like 10 minutes, you are like a new person. Now, do you want heat? No problem. We press the heat button, and now heat it up. Now, maybe you want heat and also the vibration mode. I'm going to press here, and you heat it from the mic. Now, the whole thing, keep it nice. Not only the massage, but again, at the same time, vibration mode. Now, I'm going to turn it off. One more time, and it's off. Now, the nice thing is, comes also with the remote control, so you can control everything nice and easy from here. Now let me show you the control panel now. All right, so now we see the control panel. If you see here is power. I'm going to turn the power here, and we see the light will start blinking a second, and it starts blinking. Now you press 1, if you see middle speed. Now legs fast, or one more time it's off, but we still having the foot there. We can go fast, one more time slow. We can just turn the legs only at that point there, or the fast. We want heat, we get the heat right over there, and variation mode, and from here we turn it off. Now another thing, guys, very important, this full cleaning is simple. Just remove this up, take the zipper out, the whole thing out, throw it right on the washing machine, nice and clean, and that's it. When you finish, put it back again, and it's done. It's a good way to keep this nice and clean. Another good detail of this foot massage is light, easy to transport. Why? Because it has the handles as over here, so you just scroll it from here, like I'm gonna have this right now, and you can carry it. So simple, right? And it's nice to you can put it, anywhere, bring it in your office. Nice to have it. All right, guys, with this we complete the video, and I'll see you next time.